In today's video, I'll be talking about 3 of my favorite ways to make money with crypto. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi link and sign up to their credit card if you want to earn free Bitcoin and free crypto on every single purchase. The holidays are just around the corner. You could be earning Bitcoin buying those presents. And now let's jump straight into the video. The crypto space presents us with a lot of opportunities to make money. You can invest in meme coins, you can buy NFTs, you can day trade. There's literally an infinite amount of ways that you can make money with crypto. So I'll be sharing 3 of my favorite ones. As you guys know, this is definitely not financial advice. Make sure to do your research and make sure to do what is best for your portfolio. If you want to day trade, go day trade. If you want to buy meme coins, buy meme coins. Do what makes you money and do what is right for your portfolio. Alright, so one of my favorite ways to make money in the crypto space is by lending and staking. I do this on a ton of different platforms, but one of my favorite platforms to lend is on the KuCoin exchange. And specifically, I like to lend stable coins, USDC and USDT. On KuCoin, I get amazing returns on my stable coins. For example, on USDT, I can get anywhere between 10% and 80% APY on my crypto, which in my opinion is absolutely amazing. So what I like to do, every time I make some profit on a different coin, I pretty much sell it for stablecoin and then I lend it on KuCoin. This way I'm securing profits and earning even more profits on top of the profits that I made. Best of all, KuCoin lending is pretty much one of the safest ways to make money. And personally, I absolutely love it. For example, if you're getting 50% APY and you have $100,000, you could be earning $50,000 pretty much risk-free for doing absolutely nothing but lending on the KuCoin exchange. I know $50,000 in 1 year is not life-changing money, but over time it will compound and you will earn more and more and more, and then it will just snowball. Next thing you know, you have $1 million lending on the KuCoin exchange. If you guys have been following my YouTube channel over the last 12 months, you will know that I absolutely love the KuCoin exchange. It has a ton of features, and one of my favorite ones is lending. You can lend out your crypto for 7 days, for 14 days, or even 30 days. That is what I do. I lend it, set it, and forget it, and then I earn passive income every single day. Also on the KuCoin exchange, you can stake your crypto. Staking is pretty simple. You simply buy your favorite coin that is stakeable and you diamond hand it. The longer you hold, the more interest you are going to accrue and the more of that coin you are going to get. Personally, I'm staking almost 15 different cryptocurrencies as I make this video. All of those I will be holding long term. What I like to do personally is invest in projects that I believe have a very bright future ahead. For example, Cardano. I invested into Cardano last year, made a boatload of profits. And then I sold some of my Cardano, but I definitely have a moon bag of Cardano that I'm staking for the long term. This moon bag, I will not be selling this year, next year, or probably the next couple of years. But I'm definitely staking it and earning free Cardano every single day. Over time, I will accumulate a huge bag of Cardano, and hopefully sometime in the future, the value of Cardano rises even more. Then I can sell my moon bag for a couple of $1 million. Also, you'll be able to stake on a ton of different platforms and wallets. From the KuCoin exchange to Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Crypto.com, Binance, literally all the major exchanges and all the major wallets have some type of staking feature that you can take advantage of right now. I believe lending and staking is a great long-term strategy, and it feels absolutely amazing when you earn free crypto and you make free money every single day. And now let's talk about my second favorite way to make money in the crypto space, and that is investing in low cap gems. I'm talking about coins that have a market cap between 10 to 50 million. Low cap projects that have great utility, projects that are actually solving a problem in the crypto space. I believe those projects have very bright futures ahead and can definitely make us a boatload of money. Projects like Polka Starter, Constellation Network, Tribe One, Lossless, and a ton of other low cap gems. Personally, I believe this presents one of the best opportunities to make life-changing money. What I like to do personally is invest anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000 into these low cap gems. And then once they double in price, I take out my initial investment and then I'm left with the moon bag of that specific coin. If you have been in the crypto space as long as I have, you will know that one of the best ways to make millions of dollars in crypto, to get that Lambo, to get that mansion, is to diamond hand your favorite projects. A lot of people that buy crypto these days, they hold for a couple days or a couple weeks and then they sell. They make a little profit and they move on to the next project. But the real money is made when you hold. I'm talking about holding for months, sometimes even years, until you get that massive payout. And low cap gems that have a market cap of like 10 million, 20 million, 50 million, they have a ton of potential. They can have a market cap of 500 million, 1 billion, 10 billion a year from now. And then you'll make massive, massive profits. Investing in low cap gems is definitely risky. A lot of these projects have very small teams and very small budgets. So you will have to find that perfect project, that perfect gem that has a ton of potential. Projects that have very good teams behind them, and projects that have real life utility. Projects that solve a problem in the crypto space or outside of the crypto space. I believe projects like this can definitely skyrocket in the future. So even if you only invest a couple $100 or $1,000, that can be worth $100,000 or even $1 million in the future. In my opinion, low cap gems present the best opportunity to make life-changing money. And personally, I'm definitely trying to invest in as many low cap gems as I possibly can. And now let's talk about my third favorite way to make money in the crypto space, and that is with the metaverse and crypto gaming. I believe the metaverse will change the world, and I want to invest into it as soon as possible. I'm just getting started in this space, so in future videos, I will definitely talk a lot about the metaverse and crypto gaming. So stay tuned for those videos. But I believe right now is the perfect opportunity to find great projects that are in the metaverse space and in crypto gaming. For example, Heroes and Empires. This is one of my favorite crypto games that allows you to make money. Every single character, every single hero in this game will be a NFT that you'll be able to buy, sell, and trade on the marketplace. And you'll be able to make a ton of money. It is like a small metaverse that allows you to play and earn money at the same time. I believe in the future there's going to be a ton of different games that will allow you to earn money for simply playing. Also, Dragonverse is another metaverse game that I am invested in, and I think that one is going to be huge as well. But this is just the beginning of this space. I believe going forward there's going to be a ton of other projects launching that will present us with awesome opportunities to make a boatload of money. Even if you do not like gaming, you do not want to miss what is about to come in this space. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little video. Let me know in the comment section below, what are some of your favorite ways to make money in the crypto space? And as always, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.